How to block adult sites on Android without installing an app. I'll show you one setting that can do it in just a few taps. Instead of downloading another blocking app, you can use a built-in Android setting to filter adult websites directly from your device. And there's one important setting you need to find first, so stay with me because I'll show you exactly where it is and what to enter. Once it's enabled, I'll also show you how to check that the filter is actually working. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open your apps. Now find and open Settings. If you don't see it right away, you can tap the search icon at the top and search for Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap Connections. Now you'll see several connection options. Scroll down toward the bottom of this page. Then tap More Connection Settings. And this is where the setting we're looking for is hiding. Now tap Private DNS. You'll see a few different options here. Select Private DNS Provider Hostname. Once you choose this option, a text box will appear. Don't type a random address here, because this is the part that actually controls the website filtering. Now tap inside the hostname field. Then type this exact address. family-filtered-dns@cleanbrowsing.org. Make sure you enter it exactly as shown. Once you've entered it, tap Save. Your Android device will now use this DNS provider to filter websites. Give it a moment, and the settings should remain selected. Now here's the part one don't want you to skip. Open your browser and try visiting a website that should be blocked by the filter. If the filter is working correctly, the website should no longer load normally. This quick test lets you confirm that the DNS setting is actually active on your device. Keep in mind, this method filters websites through the device's DNS connection. So, if you're setting this up for a child, it's still a good idea to use additional parental controls and make sure they can't simply change the device's network settings. If this helped you make your Android device safer without installing another app, like the video and subscribe to the channel. I make simple, step-by-step tutorials like this to help you solve everyday tech problems. And that's it. You've now set up a DNS filter on Android to help block adult websites. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.